Migrating your website from local WP to a live shared hosting account. How do you do that? So this section of the course is only for people who decided to design their website with local WP, then you purchase shared hosting later, and you're like, well, how do I move my site from local WP to my actual hosting account? That's what I want to show you in this section of the course. All right, so the first thing that we need to do is we need to install the same plugin on both environments. Over here with our local site and over here with this temporary domain name that I have at my Bluehost account. So let's navigate over here and we're going to click on plugins and we're going to click on add plugin. And the plugin that we want to add in is WP Vivid, literally WP Vivid. Search for that. And then right here we have WP Vivid migration backup staging. Go ahead and click on install. And now you want to do the same exact thing with your shared hosting account. So go over here to appearance, go over here to plugins, and then go to add plugin. And let's type in WP Vivid, search for that, and go ahead and install that. And click on activate, and then make sure to click on activate as well. Okay, so this is the local site. We have the WP Vivid plugin activated, and we also have it activated over here. Now, the first thing that we need to do is we need to link the two sites together. And so you can do that by setting up a key. So this is very important right here. That's what you do. Click on the key right over here. The key will expire in 8 hours. We're going to do this right now, so just change that to 2 hours and then generate the key. So again, I'm on Bluehost right over here. So I'm generating the key. Click over here to copy it. Boom, we got that. Now we need to navigate back to the local site. Now, do we need key? No, we go to auto migration because we're uploading this site to the shared hosting account. So you want to go to auto migration. So click on that, and then you just copy and paste that key that you had right there. Boom. And then you can choose to upload everything, WordPress files only database. You typically want to upload everything, so just leave it as default, which is database plus files. So go ahead and click on save for the key. There we go. And now these two are linked together. So when you're ready to move, just click on clone, then transfer. And this entire process will take a few minutes to complete. Fantastic. One backup task finished. So what we've successfully done is we've sent all the data of our local WP site over to our shared hosting account. Okay, so I sent this site over and all the data and everything that it needs over to Bluehost. Now let's navigate over here to our Bluehost WordPress installation and let's take a look at the site, and it hasn't been moved over. So there's a second step that we need to do. So now you're logged into your shared hosting account. All you need to do is click a button to restore the files that you just sent over. So to do that, you want to be under the backup and restore tab. Just scroll down. Then right down here, you should see backups and it says received backup. Just click on this restore button right there. And as simple as that. So let me go ahead and do that. Now it says, please do not close the page or switch to other pages when a restore task is running, as it could trigger some unexpected errors. That is quite important. So when you click on this restore button, just let WP Vivid do its thing. So anyways, when you're ready, click on restore. Okay, so that took about a minute and says restore completed successfully. All right, so it just logged me out because I had a different username and password. So just go ahead and log into your site again. So the username and password to log into the site is the same username and password that you're using with local WP, if that makes any sense. So that's why you were logged out and things changed. So just use the password that you're using for local WP. Anyways, it's as simple as that. And so over here, we have the test site that I just uploaded. Looks great. So I'm over here on my Bluehost account, and I've successfully migrated the site over here from WP local. And it's as simple as that. Anyways, that's how you migrate a test site from local WP to your shared hosting accounts.